Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa aking YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Michael Ryan Diesto. And for today's episode 99, mga must-try and newest products by Ventuno Tienda and Cafe.
Even if we run late, this morning let's take our time. Everybody needs a break right sometimes. Wait for just an hour more. What's the rush? Who's calling? Who's calling? I won't ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, we know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for hotter days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just
Ventuno Tienda and Cafe. Experience different countries from the goodies that they offer. Enjoy delicious drinks and snacks with their chill ambience. They're located at Osmena Street, front of Villa Arevalo Plaza and Highway Road, before Oyster House and Balay na Bato. Delivery options, they're also available by Angkas and DLVR, and their own delivery within Villa and Molar area. For full list of menus and other details, I'll provide description down below. This episode is sponsored by Ventuno Tienda and Cafe. And disclaimer lang mga nose, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. At para always kayo notified sa my latest episodes ko, just click the notification bell icon. And kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, for ilang seconds or ilang minutes, huwag niyo pong skip. Malaking tulong na yon sa aking channel. Hi there mga nose! So here, must-try and newest products, Ventuno, Tienda, and Cafe. But before anything else, ito, pinick up ko lang dun sa store nila kasi we're under ECQ and meron akong quarantine pass in accordance for safety measures and protocols here in Iloilo City. So without further ado, let's start for our first taste test. For our first product, this is giant egg tart for 80 pesos. So ayan mga nose, malaki nga yung egg tart.
lying in bed and locking the door? What's one morning laying up? It's sleeping on a Sunday.
For its outer crust, ito, nandun yung crispiness, consistency when it comes to their dough. Nandun yung smooth texture, sweetness for their egg tart or custard. These are Halo Coffee for 123 pesos.
We can save our energy.
When it comes most especially for its mild coffee essence, that perfectly match precise yung halalo flavors and also for its ingredients. Nandun yung ice cream, yung colorful gulamans, leche flan, corn kernels, yung crushed ice, yung sweet beans, and other components for a basic halo-halo. These are avocado Oreo for 143 pesos. To appearance-wise, makita mo na yung Oreo granules. Also for its avocado, green color. Amoy ko na yung aroma for its freshly cut avocado, which is amazing. Also very distinctive yung overall flavors. This is your classic Iskrambol for 73 pesos. I'm very glad na bring back nila yung classic favorites. So far, ito yung perfect Iskrambol sa akin. Nandun yung sweetness, yung appearance, and also for its overall ingredients for this product. Ito na po yung newest trend or flavor here in Iloilo City. And for rating manos, for all of their products, when it comes to drinks and pastry, I'll give it a perfect 10. By the way manos, marami pa silang pastries, breads, desserts, snacks, noodles, coffee, and non-coffee based. Ilang beses na ako nag-dine in dun sa store nila. So from other events here in Iloilo City, ito na-maintain pa rin nila for its excellent quality of products, not only for its appearance, also for their outstanding customer service. Thank you so much sa lahat po bumubuo for Ventuno Tienda and Cafe, most especially sa mga staff, baristas, riders, and owners, most especially kay Ma'am Jen for this amazing experience and trusting Drinking Nose to feature your newest products for your vlog episode. Once again, congratulations, Ventuno Tienda and Cafe. Stay safe mga nose. See you in my next brand or taste review here in the City of Love, Iloilo City. Bye!